So what is an object-oriented programming language? This is a programming language model which is not organized around the data or the actions, but it is organized or thought about around an object. So before this object-oriented programming paradigm was introduced, the program was just considered to be function. That means some input has to be given and some processing has to be done and output has to be received. Like 2 and 6 is being passed, this addition is done and you get 8, just like that. And it was very important, previously like the C language, it is still in the working, and most of the hardware, they are worked on or they are programmed on C only. But to make more general purpose and to view the actual scenario of the real life, there has to be something different which people thought. Now, what is this basic thing which we introduce, object? What is exactly this object? So object can be anything. Even you can be an object. A cup can be an object that you are holding in your hand. A pen can be an object. A car you drive is an object. This person, car, cup, why they are called object or why they can be considered as object? Because they are identifiable entity. They are uniquely identifiable entity with certain name and certain properties, certain attributes. So the whole idea is making your program or software to the real world, near to the real world. So this pure object programming is to combine the data and function together and then operate on this data, just not sending the data and receiving the result. So Simula actually was the first, you can say, pure object oriented programming language. C++ was also there, and this is also a programming language which is called as object oriented, but it has some ingredients of previous also. Java, Python, the C++, Visual Basic, .NET, Ruby, these are all object oriented programming languages popular today. So there are certain basic concepts of object oriented programming which we are going to see, like the objects, the classes, the encapsulation, the abstraction, the data hiding and the polymorphism along with the inheritance.